how much should you actually spend on a vertical mouse for carpal tunnel? Because here's the thing, cheap ones feel flimsy and don't help, but the expensive ones, some aren't worth it either. The real value isn't always where you think. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works.
Product number 1, Logitech Lift. First up, the Logitech Lift. This one caught my eye because it's from a trusted brand, priced right in the middle at $60, and it's designed specifically for small to medium right hands. If you want solid ergonomics without going overboard on price, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Lift uses a 57-degree vertical angle that keeps your wrist in a natural handshake position, which reduces strain compared to flat mice. It's been ergonomist certified, meaning real experts tested it for comfort and posture. The optical sensor tracks smoothly, and the quiet clicks are perfect if you're in a shared workspace. Plus, it connects via Bluetooth or the included Logibolt receiver, and the battery lasts up to 2 years. Yes, 2 years. That's not marketing fluff. That's based on real usage data from thousands of buyers. Now, some people complained about the lack of left-handed support, and honestly, that's a fair point. Logitech only made this for righties, so if you're left-handed, you're out of luck. Also, while the shape is comfy for small to medium hands, folks with larger palms might find it a bit snug. But if your hands fit, the soft texture and thumb rest make long work sessions way more bearable. This is perfect for you if you're dealing with early carpal tunnel symptoms and want a reliable, no-fuss mouse from a brand you trust. Skip this one if you're left-handed or have very large hands. At $60, it's not the cheapest, but for the build quality and ergonomic backing, it's solid value. Product number 2, Logitech MX Vertical. Now, if the Lift felt a bit basic, the Logitech MX Vertical steps it up, literally. At $79, it's the premium pick here, and it's built for people who need serious relief from wrist pain. If you want maximum ergonomic support and don't mind paying for it, this one's a contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Studies show it reduces muscular strain by 10% compared to regular mice, thanks to that same 57-degree angle, but with a more refined shape. The 4000 DPI sensor means you move your hand less, up to 4x less movement than a standard mouse, which is huge if you're trying to ease fatigue. It's also rechargeable, works across Windows and Mac, and even lets you move content between 3 devices. Over 6,000 people bought this last month, and the consistent feedback, my wrist pain dropped after 2 weeks. Now, some people complained about the price, and yeah, $80 is steep. Others said the charging cable isn't included, which feels like a cheap move from a brand this big. And while the design fits most hand sizes, a few users with smaller hands said it felt a bit bulky. But if you're investing in long-term comfort and use your computer heavily, those trade-offs might be worth it. This is perfect for you if you've tried cheaper options and still have pain, or if you're a designer, developer, or writer spending 8+ hours a day on the computer. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need occasional use. It's pricey, but for serious carpal tunnel relief, it's one of the best out there. Product number 3, TechNet Vertical Mouse. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers. The TechNet Vertical Mouse at $21 is a steal, and don't let the price fool you. If you want real ergonomic benefits without breaking the bank, this one surprised me. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses a true vertical design that keeps your wrist neutral, reducing pressure from long hours of use. It has 6 adjustable DPI levels, up to 4,800, so you can switch from precise editing to fast scrolling instantly. The quiet clicks are a nice touch, great for libraries or late-night work. And it connects via Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz, so you're not stuck with just one option. Over 3,000 bought it last month, and most say it helped reduce their wrist discomfort within days. Now, some people complained about the build quality feeling a bit plasticky, and I get that. It's not as sturdy as Logitech. Also, the side buttons don't work on Mac OS, which is annoying if you're on a Mac. And it takes 2 AAA batteries, which means ongoing costs and occasional replacements. But for $21, you're getting certified ergonomic design and solid performance. This is perfect for you if you're trying a vertical mouse for the first time or need something affordable for home or office.
skip this one if you use a Mac heavily or want premium materials. For the price, it's one of the best value picks here.
Product number 4, Ugreen Vertical Mouse. Now, if TechNet's battery dependency bugged you, the Ugreen mouse at $16 fixes that and adds some smart extras. If you want a lightweight, no-fuss vertical mouse that just works across devices, this one's a sleeper hit. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses a natural vertical handshake position that reduces wrist rotation, which is key for carpal tunnel relief. The 4 DPI settings, up to 4,000, let you adjust sensitivity fast, and the PTFE glide feet make it slide smoothly, even on rough desks. It connects via Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz, switches between 3 devices, and runs on a single AA battery with smart sleep mode. Over 2,000 bought it recently, and many mention how light and comfortable it feels during long sessions. Now, some people complained about the smaller size. It's definitely better for medium to small hands. Larger-handed users said it felt cramped. Also, while the clicks are quiet, they're not completely silent like some claim. And there's no rechargeable option, so you'll need to stock up on batteries. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, portable mouse for travel or multi-device use. Skip this one if you have large hands or hate replacing batteries. At $16, it's a no-brainer for the basics.
Product number 5, POJTK Rechargeable Vertical Mouse. Finally, if you're tired of buying batteries, the POJTK mouse at $18 is rechargeable, versatile, and built for modern setups. If you want a vertical mouse that charges via USB-C and works with almost anything, this one's a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses a 58-degree vertical angle to ease wrist strain, and the rechargeable battery lasts 1 to 3 months per charge, way better than swapping AA's every few weeks. It has 3 connection modes: Bluetooth 5.3, USB-A, and USB-C, so it fits laptops, tablets, even Chromebooks. The 4800 DPI sensor tracks accurately, and all 6 buttons are silent, making it ideal for quiet environments. Over 1,000 bought it last month, and many praise how seamless the switching between devices is. Now, some people complained about the LED lights being too bright. There's no way to turn them off, which is annoying in dark rooms. Also, the front back buttons don't work on macOS, which limits Mac users. And while it's lightweight, the plastic feels a bit thin. This is perfect for you if you use multiple devices and hate battery anxiety. Skip this one if you're on a Mac and need full button functionality. For under $20 with USB-C charging, it's a great modern upgrade.
So which one's right for you? The Logitech Lift is the best balance of comfort and value. The MX Vertical is premium relief for serious pain. TechNet and Ugreen are great budget picks, while POJTK wins for rechargeable convenience. No single mouse fixes everything, but one of these will definitely help your wrist. Drop your questions below, and I'll help you pick the right one.